Hey everyone, welcome back to Walking City Adventures. Today, we've got a helpful guide for those of you in Los Angeles or planning a visit. We'll be talking about how to ride a metro bus in the city. So, let's dive into the basics of riding the metro bus in Los Angeles. The first step is finding a metro bus stop. You'll notice these stops marked with the distinctive red sign. They're scattered throughout the city, and you can easily locate them using the Metro app or the official Metro website. Before heading out, it's a good idea to plan your route. You can use the Metro app or visit the official Metro website to find your bus route, check schedules, and get real-time updates. Enter your starting location and destination, and the app will guide you with the best route options. All right, now let's talk about paying your fare. To ride the Metro bus, you'll need a tap card. You can purchase one at metro stations, online, or at tap vending machines. Make sure to load enough value onto your card before boarding the bus. Once your tap card is ready, wait for your bus at the designated stop. As the bus approaches, check its electronic display to confirm it's the right one. Raise your hand to signal the driver if you're unsure, and they'll help you out. After boarding, find an available seat. Metro buses have designated seating areas for seniors and people with disabilities, so be sure to give up your seat if someone needs it more than you. It's just common courtesy. Now that you're settled, enjoy the ride. Los Angeles has a diverse landscape, and you'll get a unique perspective of the city from the bus. Feel free to use the time to read, catch up on emails, or simply take in the views. When your stop is approaching, pull the cord or press the stop button to signal the driver. Make your way to the exit door, and once off the bus, don't forget to tap your tap card again when leaving to ensure you're charged correctly. And there you have it. Riding a metro bus in Los Angeles is a convenient and eco-friendly way to explore the city. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating Los Angeles and beyond. Until next time, happy travels.